Mr. Area, are you alright? Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say we have a few numbers like 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. So can you tell me that if we want to group these numbers, and there are three conditions, is each group contains same number.
Each group contains same number.
All groups same size.
All groups same size.
And the third condition is same size at least 2. Size bigger than 1, okay? So can you tell me if you can group these numbers using these three conditions?
Each group same number. All groups same size.
Yeah. Size bigger than
Each
1.
group same number. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4.
Yeah. So that it's okay, yeah? Each group same number. All groups same size. 2 numbers, 2 numbers, 2 numbers. Size bigger than 1. Yes, 2 numbers, 2 bigger than 1. Okay? And how about another example?
It's gonna be no.
You sure?
Oh, because
2,
you
2,
normally do.
4, 4, 4, 4. Yes or no?
Wait, 2, 2, 4, 4.
Yes or no? Come on.
What was it?
What was it? Can you group this? What?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you group it? How do you make a
2,
group?
2, 4, 4, 4, 4.
Yeah. I didn't say the numbers in each group needs to be unique, right? They can be the same, right? Yeah. These three rules. Yeah.
You didn't say it has to be unique.
Yeah, I didn't say. That's why you can put it in. Put the same number into 2 different groups or more groups. That's okay. And how about 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4?
No,
No. Why is that?
because there's only 1, 1.
Yeah. Okay. So what's your idea of doing that?
Okay,
So for example, given a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, if we want to count the number of frequencies, yeah. Bless you. If we want to count the number of frequencies, how do we do it in Python?
We count.
Yeah, we count, and especially we use what kind of?
Counter.
Yeah, counter. Look, this is nums. Yeah.
Counter.
Okay, so if we do this, C equals counter.
La, 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 la.
Counter nums. So what does it give us? What does it give us? 1, 2. Let's say 1, 2.
1,
Let's
2, 3,
say
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
2,
9, 10.
1, 4, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so what does this give us?
1, 1.
1, 1.
4,
4,
3, no,
4,
2,
4, 2, and
and 3, 2.
3, 2. Okay, so this is a dictionary, okay?
Dictionary.
C is this.
From
The left side we call it what? Keys, yeah? This is the key. And this is the value, right?
This is the value.
What's the key? Key is the
Number.
unique numbers in the array.
You said it didn't have to be unique.
No, what I'm saying, this key is unique in these, right?
Huh?
Right? 1, 4, 3 is unique here, right? Yeah? And the values. Values is the number of times they appear, right? Alright? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so if I change all 4 to a million, let's say, does it affect the answers?
No.
No. And I can change 3 to a trillion. It doesn't impact the answer, right? So the problem is that we only need to take consideration of these numbers, the number of actually count, yeah? Am I right? Yeah? And if I write these numbers, let's say, if I write these numbers in an array, like 2, 2, 4, look, this is the number of times of the frequency, okay? Can it be grouped into the groups with the same size, and each group has the same size at least 1? Can it? 2 to 4?
No.
Then what I mean is that there are two numbers of element A, two numbers of element B, and four numbers of element C. Okay? Yeah, okay. And how about 4, 6, 8? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, a tricky one. Like
I'm gonna.
what? No,
I'm
2,
gonna.
2, 7, 14. Daniel?
Wait, let me think.
Yeah, now you
You
think.
said it was a tricky one.
I didn't say that this time. Okay.
You just said.
Okay. So 2, 7, 14. Is that okay?
No.
Why is that?
Because 7,
7 is kind of odd, yeah. So okay. So how about 3 and 9?
why are you not doing 2 then? No.
I'm just checking 3 and 9. Is that okay? 3 numbers of
Yeah.
A and 9 numbers of B.
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's okay. So
What were you thinking about?
no, I'm just checking. Okay. So what's your approach? Remember?
Okay, so technically.
Yeah.
What
how are you checking if it's a yes or no? How are you checking if 3, 9 is okay? This is not okay. How look 1, 1, 1, and then there will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. So you can group it
That's
1,
so-
2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's basically like you're just taking, you're just taking, there is a number, but if they're prime number in 1, it's definitely not.
Prime number. Yeah. If there's only
No,
one.
no, except from 2.
Yeah. Okay. So if 1, 2. What?
2 the
2 is the prime number. 1, 2. Is that okay?
yeah.
Are you sure? 1,
Yeah.
2, 2. That's very obvious, no, right? Okay. So what?
So basically, you're just grouping it into times tables.
2 times table. It may be 3 times table. Look, this is 3 times table.
Yeah.
And it may be 4 times or 5 times table. So
I didn't say 2 times tables.
okay. So what's the thing we are looking?
So you're just trying out the smallest number.
Smallest number. Yeah. Okay. Smallest number. And we want to check if they are multiple. Yeah. Okay. So why 4 and 6 is okay? Come on. Why 4 and 6 is okay?
Oh, because they're both even numbers and they're both in the 2 times tables.
Wait down. That's the correct. They are in both 2 times table. So 2 of 2. What is 2? Of these 4 and 6, what's 2?
6 minus 4.
And also they are both in 2 times table.
Yeah.
And this is the biggest in 2 times table. Yeah. So what do we call it? Greatest.
Greatest common divisor.
Yeah, greatest common divisor. Okay. Stop. So we just checking the greatest common divisor.
Why do you do a T sign?
Okay. S sign. Okay. Greatest common divisor of all the numbers frequency and check if they are bigger than if the greatest common divisor of all numbers. Yeah, we can do the greatest common divisor of all numbers. How do we do this? Look, we can just do this. The answer equals the first number. Okay, first number. So let's say this is A0, and now we can just do this for I in A. Answer equals greatest common divisor of answer and I, right? And then that's the greatest common divisor of all the numbers in the array, right? And it has to be bigger than 1, then it's yes, otherwise it's no, right? Let's check this. 1 and 2 greatest common divisor is 1, so that's not okay. This one, 2 and 7 greatest common divisor is what?
1.
1, it's not okay. Yeah? 1 and any other number greatest common divisor is 1, right? Got it? Yeah.
Basically, prime numbers set from 1 and 2.
Prime numbers, except no, it will be multiple. It will be still okay. If I give you a number 13, and 13 is a prime number, right?
Yeah.
And how about 26? 13 and 26 is still okay, right? Because 13 and 26, greatest common divisor is 13. You see?
Oh.
Yeah, so we're just checking the the two numbers. Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh.
Okay, stop it.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to write this, okay? You tell me.
Oh,
Define
come on.
f, let's create f function nums. So first of all, we want to do what? Let's do c equals what? What?
Counter.
Counter
.com.
nums. Okay, and then let's say answer equals, let's say the first number, which is what? Oh, and then we want to know the frequency, yeah, Eric? So frequency would be, let's say n equals c dot values. We just need to know the values, yeah, values, and we convert it to a list. This c dot values, all right? This is n, and then we do this a equals n 0 for I in n, right? A equals what? Can you tell me? A equals what? And return what? A what? Can you tell me? What are we doing here? What's the function? G.
Greatest common divisor.
And now what's this? What's two values?
All of it.
What?
A and B.
A, there's no B. Where A and what? We're looping all the numbers in n, which is the value. So what's that?
Value.
What's this? N is the values and I, what's that?
I.
Yeah, come on. I. Okay, so return A what?
A.
That's one. A what? We're talking about the greatest common divisor. We want to be
A
bigger than 1. Okay. Okay, so let's say the greatest common divisor, do you still remember? Define, this is built in, but we review it. Greatest common divisor, A and B. How are we implementing it? 21 and 14, what's the greatest common divisor? 7. How do we do this? A and B. Okay, so look, while B is bigger than 0, AB equals B, A modulus B, and return what? Return what? A or B?
A.
Yeah. So why is that? Look, AB, why B is not 0? A equals B. B equals,
A is supposed to be the biggest.
look, that's okay. A equals B. Yeah? A will become B. And B will become A. 21 modulus 14. Remainder what? 21 divided by 14. Remain what? How much? 7. Okay, now B is not 0. A becomes B. Okay, so 7 right here. 14 divided by 7. How many left? Remainder. 20 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7. 0. Okay, so B is 0, so this is A, return A. So greatest common divisor A. Right? Got it? So look, this is doing that. We can do this in one line. Just fancy syntax. Yeah? So here, we can just return, reduce a value to a value what? GCD and then N. That's it. Yeah?
Easy.
Yeah? We want to use the GCD. This is the function. Greatest common divisor to apply to the list. To apply this. Yeah? What's the time complexity? What's the time complexity?
Oh.
What's the time complexity?
O-N?
What's the greatest common divisor? Actually, return this needs to be bigger than 1. We forgot this. The greatest common divisor is roughly O log n. And we're reducing it least, so it'll be n. So actually it's O n log n, okay? Roughly, okay? Got it?
Roughly.
Okay?
Are you kidding me?
Okay, I'm going to write this, okay? Answer equals n, the first one,
How
n
many?
0.
How many?
For I in n, answer equals what? Return answer what? Can you fill the blank? Actually, because we are picking the first number, you can start with the second number. Okay? Start with the second number. Come on, your turn. And that's it for today.
Come on.
Come on. Take it. Come on, you don't break my thingy. Come on.
No.
Come on. Yeah?
Answer equals. What does answer equal?
What does the answer? Answer is the greatest common divisor of all things.
Greatest.
Come on, you're asking me for a hint.
I did not say that.
Okay. Yeah.
The bracket.
Yeah, GCB, yeah. Okay, so actually it's the lowercase, but that's okay. You know how it works, yeah, GCB.
And then
Yeah.
A. No. Answer.
Yeah, answer. Yeah, because we want to calculate the greatest common divisor of all the numbers. And we're iterating the numbers, yeah. So how?
No.
What?
I.
Yeah, we are looping it with the I, yeah. Okay. Okay, and then at last, the greatest common divisor is to be what?
Wait, no. Yeah.
Bigger than 1. Okay, that's it for today. Say bye-bye.
Bye.